Hello students, how are you? I am Jagasingh Shankar welcomes you in our YouTube channel Maths Zone. In the previous video we discussed on the two videos discuss about the basic properties of the trigonometry, how the trigonometric word derive and what is the meaning of the trigonometric words. You can see our previous videos to know about this, and the second videos on the basis of the trigonometric identities, how the trigonometric values relate to the questions and how we solve the applications of the trigonometric ratios. Now today is the very important topics, how the trigonometric ratios related to the theta measures of the ट्राइंगल्स की अगर किसी एंगल की वैल्यू आपको 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्रीज दी हुई है, तो आप उनकी वैल्यूज कैसे निकालेंगे? हाउ वी फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक मेजरमेंट्स. तो टुडे वी डिस्कस हाउ वी प्रिपेयर अ टेबल easily and learn them without any rectifications and without any tensions. In this video you have stress free by this table to learn about the angles. All the values of these angles are in our hands. So in this video we tell you about how we make a table by the hands. This fingers is the lowest finger and this finger is known 0 degree. तो 0 डिग्री अगर यहाँ पर 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री and this is 90 degree. Thumb is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 45 degree and this is 30 and last finger is 0 degree values. तो 0 degree and this, how we make a table by these values. तो first we discuss on the palm. Number one, when we find the value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and the 90 degree. So in 0 degree, in the case of 0 degree, the 0 degree angle will be closed, this finger will be closed and now the number of the fingers are 0 in the right hand side, so that we have taken 0 in the place of right here 0 root upon 2. It means root 0 upon 2 will be equal to 0, so right here 0. Now comes to the 30 degree. This finger is 30 degree, so that fold it and then count the fingers on the right hand side. This is one, only one finger. So right here 1 upon 2, it means square root of 1 is equal to 1 and this value will be 1 by 2. By the same way we have find 45 degree. So 45 degree, which finger is 45 degree? This finger is 45, is the middle finger. And then now fold it and then counting the right hand side fingers, number 1, 2. It means 2 fingers in the right hand side. So right here number of fingers 2 upon 2. The root 2 and 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 and root 2 will be cancelled to by, it will be give root 1 upon root 2. Value of 45 degree of any angles. Now 60 degree. Look on your palm. What is 60 degree angle? 60 degree angle is that this part, this finger is called 60 degree. So how many fingers in the right hand side? 1, 2, 3. 3 angle. So that right here number of fingers 3 and upon 2. This value is equal to 60 degree right here. And now the last value is the 90 degree. 90 degree is where? On its thumb. And how many fingers in the right hand side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, right here, number of finger 4 and upon 2. 4 will be equal to 2. 2 upon 2. 2 to cancel 1 is equal to 1. So right here 1. And these values are the value of the sine. So by this video you have you know about the how we find the values easily. So now prepare table sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Write here all the values in sine: 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now for finding the value of cos, we write all the values in reciprocal form: 1 root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Again, how we find tan? Tan means tan will be equal to sine upon cos. Sine upon cos, it means 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 gives 0. 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2, 2 to cancel, 1 upon root 3 will be the sine, tan, 30 values. Root 2 to cancel, 1 upon 1 will be equal to the tan, 45. And 2 in 60 degree case, 2 cancel, root 3 upon 1, root 3. And then 1 upon 0. You know that when the non-zero number is divided by the 0, then it gives infinite values not defined. The value is not defined and then write it in reciprocal form: 0, infinite, root 3, 1, 1 upon root 3 and then 0. Means sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. तो cos theta की जो वैल्यूज दी हुई है इनको रेसिप्रोकल करें और यहाँ पर लिख दें तो 1 upon 1 1. Reciprocal of root 3 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon root 3 and reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is equal to root 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1 and 1 upon 0, it means infinite. Find the value of cosec by the reciprocal of sine values. G1 upon 0 is reciprocal of 0. 1 upon reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is root 2. Root 3 upon 2 reciprocal is 2 upon root 3 and then 1 upon 1. By these values you have prepared the trigonometric table. Now use these values in the questions properly. You get your answer easily. Dear students, that is enough for this video. Now see you in the next video by coming the next and interesting chapters for you. After then you see, like, watch and share this our videos and subscribe our channel if you are new ones on channel and watch it first time, then subscribe it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.